Welcome back to Lord of the Coins. In this video, we'll be going over a pretty quick price action update and technical analysis for Bitcoin. If you guys are just kind of confused on price action and where it's heading, or if you guys are looking for some trade entries, then this video will be for you. We'll cover more of a lower time frame outlook. So we'll start here on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, you can see that we've been just consolidating within this value area right here between the red line and the green line right here. And we just had a few deviations, and in our private trading community, we have actually entered a long on this deviation. Pretty picture perfect on the zone of demand right here. And we're actually still in this trade. But there is a possibility that we come down here and sweep out the previous week low. That would be the next thing that I look for Bitcoin. If not, maybe we don't break this low and we just enter this zone of demand right here. I'll show market in green. So we definitely could see some sort of reversal right here. So this is where we have to kind of see price action react. Maybe we'll do get this, another sweep, and a movement back up. But there'll be a couple of things I watch for. After the sweep of the previous week low, if price action seems weak, then I do believe we will sweep this low. And if price action looks even weaker here, then this would be a bearish case where I don't think we'll get caught in any of these areas, but rather we're going to retest the range lows. And if you guys have seen any of my last several Bitcoin videos, I've been talking about how more than likely going to break out to the downside here after retesting this range low however many times. I do think we are going to break down to the downside, and this is a zone of demand that I have been looking for between around 12k to around 9k, and is possibly down to like 7k, 6k. That's like all possible, but we're gonna have to see how price action acts once it gets down there. There's no point in trying to catch the falling knife. But yeah, that is kind of what I'm looking for. So pretty much what I've been looking for Bitcoin is a pretty good short entry into that. If you guys saw one of my other videos, I am looking for a short somewhere in this area or somewhere in this area. So pretty much in this area is all pretty good value area for taking shorts. But we'll get to that later, and that is actually covered in a previous Bitcoin video. So if you guys are more interested in that, definitely go check that out. At this moment, what I just want to talk about is kind of the bearish and bullish case for this. So this is kind of the bearish case where if we don't hold this level right here, which is the previous week low, and price action looks weak in this order block right here, then we definitely are headed for range lows. I wouldn't really try to catch anything in between. I think price action will chop and we'll go to range lows down here. Bullish scenario for Bitcoin is if we can reclaim this high. So pretty much right here we have the previous week value area. If you can see this cloud, that is what we want to reclaim right here. And then you can see that we have our monthly cloud right here, kind of looking like this. We want to reclaim that as well. So this is a pretty good area of where we want to see a lot of consolidation. So once we get consolidation right here and we see a bigger push up and we reclaim the top of this value area, that'll be a pretty bullish sign that we're pushing up back into our target, our original target of around 17k, which is our target for this trade right here. So that is pretty much it. There's really not much price action for Bitcoin at this moment. We've just been in a very tight consolidation. So these are the key levels that you kind of have to look for bearishness, and for bullishness, it's just reclaiming a lot of value area for the short term here. We just want to reclaim the weekly and the monthly value areas, and you'll probably see some sort of rejection off of the monthly VWAP right here, and maybe find support on this value area again. The value area will probably be like up here by now, and if we can find some support on that, then definitely this zone of supply is our next target. If you guys enjoyed this quick analysis, definitely check out my other videos. And if you guys want trade callouts like this pretty much on the daily, check out my Patreon link for our private trade community in the description down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.